Hey guys, welcome to the channel and to the second season of the series Explore Madhya Pradesh, where I'll be narrating the story of my travel to Sanchi, which I went in March a month ago. And right now I am off to Ujjain railway station. It's around 5 o'clock, and my father is dropping me there. I told him that I am planning to go to Sanchi just like at night itself, and he was not in a mood to drop me there to the railway station. But anyways, I convinced him, and here we are. I had to sit on the railway station for almost like in half an hour because I was on time, but the train was not. But anyways, we are on the move, and we will be reaching Bhopal at around 9:30 a.m. It will almost take 2.5 hours to reach Bhopal, and we'll be passing via Maksi, Sihor, and Shujalpur on the way there. As soon as I started seeing these small houses alongside the track, I got confirmed that we are in Bhopal and the station is not that far off. So I started packing up my things and got ready to get off the train. From the beginning of the journey, I was thinking of having some breakfast at Bhopal station, but since my train got delayed, I was left with very less time to spend. So I thought of go and sit in my next train, which was already standing at platform number 5. So I took foot over bridge to reach there. स्टेशन पर यात्रियों का स्वागत है धन्यवाद May I have your attention please? Train number 1213 Punjab Mail from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminal to Firozpur via This train will start at around 10:15 and will reach Sanchi in 40 minutes. Actually, we do have direct trains to Sanchi from Ujjain, but they were not on desired day and time. So what I did was like I booked a train from Ujjain to Bhopal, and from Bhopal you can get n number of trains to Sanchi because it's very close to Sanchi, just around 40 kilometers. So I have booked a train from Bhopal to Sanchi, which is just like around 1 hour after I reach Bhopal. So that's what was my travel plan for Sanchi. The funny thing is that Sanchi was on my list for almost 2 years. From the starting of the lockdown, I was planning to go there since it's very close to my hometown, but that never happened. And today is the day when I'm finally going to Sanchi. Another reason why I have never visited many places in Madhya Pradesh is because I have always undermined it. But after visiting Pashmani, it has opened my eyes And now I have started feeling that there are few hidden treasures in Madhya Pradesh that are need to be discovered. I reached Sanchi right on time and went on to the platform number one via footover bridge and found it very clean, and I found no rush whatsoever except that one dog was roaming. So I clicked few pics and took some recordings and went out of the station and found out few share autos running. I was happy with this fact that I don't have to spend so much money on rickshaws. But you know what? I googled on the in the maps that the stupas are very near to the station. Actually, just 1 kilometer. So I thought of just walking down the aisle and exploring few other things on the way there. This building kind of caught my attention from far off, and it looked really historical to me because of its architecture. And I thought it must be a museum, but later on I found out that it was created in 1912 for Sir John Hubbard, who was Director General of ASI of that time, and was working on conservation and excavation projects. In 2004, ASI converted this place into a museum dedicated to Sir John Hubbard, and you can now find all the things related to him well preserved. Moving forward, I found out the present archaeological museum by ASI dedicated to Buddhist history and stupas of the region. And I've also found out the ticket counter nearby. But I thought of going here later on once I have visited the stupas. So I carried on with my walk. ऊपर जाने का रास्ता यहीं से है क्या? ऊपर जाने का रास्ता यहीं से क्या? वो स्तूप वाला यहाँ से नहीं है?
इधर से भी है।
अच्छा, उधर से, इधर से कि उधर से?
इधर चले आओ, इधर से इधर चले आओ। इधर वो मंदिर है, उसके बाद वो गेट है उधर से जाने का।
इधर से आता हूँ, देखता हूँ। After walking half the distance towards the stupas, I got to know that ASI has created a new path towards the stupas just across the boundary, and the one I am walking on has been abandoned and has not been maintained for a long time. Because of that, it was all broken down and was dirty. So this kid was kind of guiding me how can I cross the fence or the boundary and get to the other side. Once I got to the other side, I got to see a huge well, and the stairs running beside it looked very continuation of the stairs across the boundary wall and hopefully going towards the stupas. So I just followed them to the top. On reaching the top, I got to see that so many vehicles are there in the parking region and people are there actually. It is not just me who has visited the stupas today. So, all along the way, there was no one to be found, and now it's like everyone is here. So, let's continue with that. And you know what? We can see the stupas from here itself, and they are looking so magnificent from this far away. And just imagine how great they will be once we are very near to them. So until then, I'll just end my vlog here, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Please like, share and comment on my vlog so that I can improve the quality of my vlogs. Until then, thank you, and thanks for watching.